Good morning. Today I'll be showing you what I eat in a day as a vegan. Remember, I haven't studied for this or anything. What I eat is not intended to give medical advice or tell everyone what they should eat if they follow a vegan or plant-based diet. It's just what I eat, what makes me feel good, and what I like. So yeah, I'll be showing you so maybe you can get some inspiration, I don't know, for your next meal if you want to try something. Currently 10 a.m. So it's not too early, not too late. I'm taking things a bit slow because it's a Sunday. It's a bit cloudy today. Natural light in the kitchen there is not the best. We'll make it work. Okay, now towards the end, when it's almost done and it's getting more firm, I like to add a bit of soy milk without sugar, so unsweetened soy milk, like this, and then mix it. Because the porridge was done with water, right? So with this, we'll make it creamier and a bit tastier. That's very warm and a very comforting breakfast, in my opinion. Okay, it's now time to serve it and put the toppings. Okay, I made the surface a bit even. Banana slices on top. Honestly, do how many you like. Then I like to do a couple of roughly chopped almonds, chia seeds, some coconut, and some cinnamon. Warm and comforting. Okay, here's the finished product. I was almost forgetting to put a little bit more date syrup on top. Just like that. Now that the food is ready, I also want to make myself a sort of cappuccino, latte, call it however you want it. What I do is just put my soy milk in the cup, warm it up a little bit. And once you did, take this hand frother, I think it's called. Do this until it creates a sort of foam. Basically till it's a bit frothy like this one here. And now we're gonna make coffee and pour it straight into the cup. Basically, yesterday night, I was home alone, so I started watching a mini-series on Netflix about the 2022 World Cup. It's called Captains of the World. It's very interesting. It's I'm interested in football, and with that, you see interviews, behind the scenes of the World Cup that you hadn't seen before. It's 2 p.m. now. Yeah, I'm watching a football match. I'm watching my favorite team, which is AC Milan. And they probably be done in a bit more than half an hour because it's minute 54 right now. So yeah, there's 34, 35 more. After that, I'll be cooking some lunch. A bit later than usual, but to be fair, I had breakfast kind of late. It was 11 by the time I was eating it, so it's fine. It is now time for lunch. I was thinking of making a pasta dish, so let's have a look at what pasta I have. And then I have cherry tomatoes, so I'll make a tomato sauce from scratch. Not the ones you already buy, but with little tomatoes, cook them a little bit, mash them, and have the sauce. I'll be using this red lentil pasta. Legume pasta is really good because normal pasta doesn't have that many protein. This one does. One serving has 21 grams of protein. Little life hack if you're vegan. I don't know. Make sure you get in your proteins at all times. Opt for pasta that is made out of lentils, chickpeas, and all types of legumes. So let's start by putting water in our pot here. See? I think this is enough for me. Now it's time to set it aside and start preparing the sauce. For the tomato sauce, I'll be using these cherry tomatoes. Set them aside for now. Now we have to cut the onion. For the base of the sauce, we do need some onion. So let's just cut a slice. Just roughly chop it in smaller pieces. Olive oil, onions in. Gently press the tomatoes. We have 6 minutes left. Pasta is cooking and the sauce is almost ready. Then we'll be draining the pasta and then, combining the two. Now the pasta is almost ready, so I'll be tasting one to see if it's properly cooked. wanted to try something new today. I bought this vegan cheese at the supermarket. Like, I tried it just by itself, but I haven't grated on pasta yet. I don't buy like products that mimic animal products. But yeah, I gotta say that the smell is like, you know, the strong cheeses that are aged for a while. But yeah, let's see. I've been snacking on this while studying. I've been studying for quite some time today, and it's now 8 p.m. time for dinner. I'm not really feeling like cooking because I've been studying the whole day. I'm a bit tired. Plus yesterday I went to a Spanish restaurant. We ordered a vegan paella. It was just way too much. So leftovers. This is part of the vegan paella that I didn't finish yesterday night. I'll just put it in the pan, heat it up a little bit. Oh, it smells so good still. I love these pans. It makes storage so much easier. You remove the handle and, you know, put it back. Okay, yeah. There's like long beans, olives, there's pumpkin, courgette, or zucchini, artichoke, peas. There's quite a bit of stuff. We are getting towards the end of the video. I made myself a little cup of coffee. You know, every day looks different. What I eat today might not be what I eat tomorrow. Like, there wasn't that many veggies today. It was very like carbs, I suppose. You know, oats, then pasta, then rice, and then have trips in the middle of the day. Next time it could be a bit more healthy, you know? It's just, for sure, there's no right thing to eat all the time. I just eat like intuitively, so what I feel like eating, I'll have it. And what I want to do now is just have my little coffee here, and then, I don't know, probably watch some Netflix and then relax, because tomorrow I have a big day of studying ahead of me. So this might be the end of the video. See you next time.